Topic 1. The U.S. job market showed robust growth, with employers adding 130,000 jobs, marking the strongest gain in recent months. In January, the U.S. job market demonstrated stronger than expected growth, with 130,000 jobs added, marking the largest increase in recent months. The unemployment rate slightly decreased to 4.3%. Notably, there was significant job growth in the healthcare and social assistance sectors, along with 33,000 jobs added in construction. This employment increase may lower expectations for interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. While there was a decline in federal government jobs, the overall labor market appears to be stabilizing. Although employment growth for 2025 was revised down significantly, early 2026 job growth is seen as a positive sign. Topic 2. Moderna faces a setback with the FDA's rejection of its new mRNA flu vaccine. Moderna is facing challenges as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, rejected its review of a new mRNA flu vaccine. The FDA determined that Moderna's clinical trial design did not meet the standards for adequate and well-controlled trials, particularly regarding the comparison to existing flu vaccines. While the FDA did not raise concerns about the safety or efficacy of the vaccine, it argued that the comparator vaccine used in the trial did not reflect the best standard of care available in the U.S. As a result, the approval timeline for Moderna's flu vaccine is now expected to be pushed to late 2026 or early 2027. This decision is interpreted as part of recent changes in U.S. vaccine policy and stricter regulations on mRNA technology. Moderna has requested an urgent meeting with the FDA and has also applied for vaccine approval in Europe, Canada, and Australia. Topic 3. Heineken plans job cuts for AI-driven productivity savings. Dutch brewer Heineken plans to cut up to 6,000 jobs, which represents about 7% of its workforce, as part of efforts to enhance productivity through AI. This move is a response to declining beer sales and challenging market conditions. Heineken aims to achieve annual cost savings of between 400 million and 500 million euros, emphasizing that AI and digitalization will play a crucial role in these productivity improvements. The job cuts are expected to support the company's growth and investment in premium brands. Heineken has lowered its profit growth outlook for 2026 and is currently searching for a new CEO. The trend of job cuts due to AI has gained attention, with other companies like Amazon and Salesforce also implementing significant workforce reductions for similar reasons. Topic 4. Political tensions with Trump's trade policies impacting U.S. households and international relations. Kirsten Hillman, who served as Canada's ambassador to the U.S. for 6 years, noted that trade relations between the U.S. and Canada are no longer as stable as they once were. President Trump raised tariffs on Canadian products from 25% to 45%, worsening economic relations between the two countries. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney declared the end of the old economic relationship with the U.S. and argued that middle powers must unite against global hegemony. Trump has pressured Canada with various demands regarding its trade policies. Trump's tariff policies have resulted in an average tax increase of $1,000 for U.S. households, which is expected to rise to $1,300 by 2025. These tariffs place a burden of 96% on U.S. consumers and importers, negatively impacting the U.S. economy. While Trump claims that tariffs promote economic growth, research warns that they can offset economic benefits. Although Trump's tariff policies have led to less than expected inflation, they have caused price increases for certain items. These policies have contributed to rising unemployment and a decline in manufacturing jobs, potentially leading to long-term effects on the U.S. economy. The U.S. Supreme Court is set to review the limits of Trump's tariff authority, which could significantly impact his trade policies. Topic 5. Paramount Agr.